So why do you like coming to the office?
Well, every time I walk out of the office, I notice I have a smile on my face. Everybody that's in the office is a pleasure to see first thing in the morning, and I don't know, I couldn't think of somewhere friendlier to be right out of bed.
Great, thanks. Why do you like coming into the office?
Because it's a pleasure to come in, and I find that my state of well-being has been a lot better ever since I started coming in. I know I had a lot of different medical problems, and ever since I've been coming here about, 3 years or so now, and I've noticed a huge difference, and I feel a lot better about myself.
Great, thank you.